In the figure below, AB is parallel to ED, and the measure of angle CDE is 33 degrees, and the measure of angle ACD is 118 degrees. What is the measure of angle CAB? In geometry, sometimes you gotta draw weird lines. So I'm gonna draw a line parallel to ED right over here. And if it's parallel to ED, then it also must be parallel to AB because AB is parallel to ED. And from geometry, you should know that if two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then alternate interior angles are congruent. So these two angles are alternate interior angles, meaning that this angle must also be 33 degrees. And it says that this whole measure, this whole angle is 118 degrees. So to get the measure of this angle over here, we just do 118 minus 33, which is going to be 85. So the measure of this angle is 85 degrees. And we know that these two lines are parallel as well. And another rule from geometry is that if two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then same-sided interior angles are supplementary, meaning they add up to 180 degrees. So this unknown angle, which I'm going to call x, plus 85 is going to have to add up to 180 degrees because they are the same sided interior angles. And so let's solve for x. We could subtract 85 on both sides, giving us x is equal to 95. B is the answer.